Welcome to Senior Composition class with Mrs. Lindstrom. In this video, I'll be going over the course expectations and giving you a general overview of what to expect this semester. If you'd like to print a copy of the presentation in this video, it is backed up as a PDF on my website. Okay, let's get started. So you can always find me Monday through Friday in Weber Hall, classroom Weber 3-4. I'm not usually available before school, but that can be arranged. You can always find me after school and second lunch if arranged in advance. So this course is supposed to get you guys ready for college level writing and dialogue. We'll be placing a lot of emphasis on your composition skills and rhetorical analysis. We will focus on the entire process of writing and engaging in active reading. So to speak a little bit more specifically about what these target skills are, we're going to be looking for you to grow your skills in close reading, critical thinking, dialogue and colloquy, connecting personally and globally, and then using the soapstone process of analysis. We break this course into 4 major papers. You'll be writing a personal narrative or a memoir. We're going to move into expository writing. We'll do a pretty big synthesis research paper, and then lastly we'll end with some fun persuasion, satire, and argumentative writing. The grade breakdown is much like a college class. Okay, so papers, of which you have 4 major ones, are worth 50% of your grade. In college, you're going to find some classes you might only have 2 papers over the entire semester that makes up your entire grade. So this is one step towards getting you a little bit more ready to college level expectations. We'll also have some tests, mini quizzes, timed writes, and short comps, which make up about 25% of your grade. The in-class work, attendance, and participation accounts for 15% of your grade, and then we'll have a final exam worth 10%. Please have all of these materials for class. The book will need to be with you most days in class. It contains essays which we will use to help hone our rhetorical analysis skills and have small group and large group discussions. We will also use this book for mentor texts as well. The other book you will need access to is your Bedford Handbook, which you should already have. As your seniors in high school, these class expectations seem pretty boilerplate for you by now. But I want you to understand that I will do my best to be all of these things as well. I will be prepared for class. I will be proactive. I will be responsible, and I will be respectful, just as I expect you guys to follow all of these as well. In terms of late work, I will accept anything late for automatic C-level credit. So I don't mess around with, oh, it's 1 day late, 2 day late, 3 day late. The moment it's late, it just automatically can earn up to C-level credit. So on the Bellarmine scale, that's a 79%. But I will also assign you a lunch detention for not being prepared for class. So you're going to get another consequence on top of the C-level grade. Okay, I do need to mention plagiarism. It's bad, it's unethical, it's not cool. You cannot turn in work that is not your own. End of story. Now, this also begs the question about plagiarizing yourself. You cannot resubmit work you've done for another class, no matter how similar you think the assignment is. Okay, so again, you cannot submit papers you have written for other classes. We will use turnitin.com to submit the 4 major papers, and if you don't submit your paper to turnitin.com, your paper will receive a 0. So we're taking the plagiarism thing pretty seriously. Lastly, this is my classroom and teaching philosophy. This is what drives me. This is what helps me stay active and reflective on my own teaching practice. And I hope that you take the time to read this and understand where I'm coming from a little bit more. I'm really looking forward to this semester with you guys. And if you have any questions, there's my email right there on the screen, or come talk to me in person.